Voice notification in TopView can be done through either TAPI or through VoIP, also known as Voice over IP. TAPI is going to be discontinued inside of Windows 10 by Cisco, by Win911, and by TopView. They're not a lot of people supporting that anymore, so you won't be able to use TAPI modems at all. So VoIP is definitely the way you want to go. It does require an internet connection, but you can also do this with districts that don't want to put their SCADA computers on the network. You can do this with a standalone DSL line, which is going to be very similar in cost to a standard phone line or a cable modem line. So in order to set up VoIP, you come into voice notification. You will click configure. These options are very different than what the defaults are, but this is what Benchmark recommends, and it is our Benchmark default setup if you use that one from us. You can set greetings to come in before the alarm, and we'll hear a demo of that in another video when I do a demo of the notifications, and that will help it so that when people wake up in the middle of the night, they don't just hear the alarm immediately and miss what it was said. That's the main reason for using a intro greeting there. You can also set up if you want to be able to let them acknowledge immediately, or if you want to force them to listen to the message at least one time. You can require numeric access code or not. So I have mine set up so that you don't have to put in an access code, because if it's calling you, then it knew your phone number anyway. And you can acknowledge with just the pound key. Much quicker and easier than some of the competing software. You then want to go into, here's your general setup for VoIP. You'll need a VoIP account. This AX Voice account is only $15 a month. And it calls all types of phones. That's the recommended one from Excel, and also that is also the recommended service from Benchmark as well. So if you come into the global voice groups, you'll see that I have set up these voice groups, and all the voice groups is just one phone number in them. If you're only using voice, you can put all of your phone numbers in here and set that up in your call group as your tag group as the call out will be the preferred way. If you're staggering voice and text messages, you will want to just put one number inside of each group so that you can set a schedule for that person, but you can also put it inside of a escalation schedule, which is done inside of another video on the website. But if you're just doing voice, you will put all of your phone numbers in here and just assign that group to the tag group, and then you would be done and it would work fine. And that is how you set up voice.